Good morning, Achieve, and happy Wednesday. Today's Wednesday, February 10th, and we're going to continue talking about honor and President's Day today. So everybody please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. Salute and pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, have a seat. All right, so we're going to continue talking about another definition of honor today, and that is the definition about doing the right thing regardless of what others are doing. That is such a hard thing to do when maybe you see some of your friends doing something out on the playground that's really not right. Maybe they're breaking some of the rules. Maybe they're walking up the slide instead of going down. You know that's not the right thing to do, and so you decide you're not going to do that, even though it looks fun. So you do the right thing regardless of what others are doing. And that's a decision that you have to make for yourself for how you show honor. You show honor to the yard duty when you make the right decision. You show honor to your teachers who help you set the rules. So we're going to watch a little video about another man who was one of our presidents, Abraham Lincoln. And he was the 16th president of the United States, and he did some very amazing things and showed honor to a lot of people through some of the different laws and things that he helped pass when he was the president. So we're going to watch a little video about him.
Many people think Abe Lincoln was America's greatest president, and he got that title by breaking all the rules about what a president could do. The Civil War started when Abe got elected in 1860. He was the first president from the modern Republican Party, which opposed the expansion of slavery. So when he won, Southern states seceded. Abe figured the war gave him special powers. There was no point following the old rules if it meant the country would cease to exist. Bypassing Congress and the courts, Lincoln expanded the Army and the Navy and blockaded Southern ports. He let government officials arrest citizens without a warrant and imposed martial law where he had to. He issued the Emancipation Proclamation to grant all slaves in Confederate territory their freedom. He also wrote one of the most memorable presidential speeches, the Gettysburg Address. But he also showed amazing restraint. He tried not to abuse his war powers. He made sure to stand for re-election in 1864 to let voters decide if he'd gone too far. And he twisted every arm possible to secure the ratification of the 13th Amendment, which put a legal end to slavery. There were plenty of rough times ahead, but Lincoln finally put the country on the right side of history.
So you can see that Abraham Lincoln made a lot of changes for a large group of people. And it's interesting that they said he had to actually break the rules in order to do that. But I think sometimes when you're president, you have to change the rules in order to get things done that are going to be good for people. And so that's what President Lincoln did. So he showed honor by doing the right thing, even when others were not. Other presidents maybe didn't make some of the big changes that President Lincoln did, but he took a stand and did make a change so that they could end slavery. And so I'm interested to know, what's a time that you did the right thing? How did you show honor to others by doing the right thing, even when others were not? Have a great day, Achieve.